are here to present face-to-face debate competition between two groups. One groups are girls and one groups are boys. And this debate topic is one side is business and other side is job. And we are asking to firstly from girls, what would you tell to about some points? Please tell me your introduction and some points of jobs.
Starting with the greatest name of Matriella, I'm Asha Rasul in front of you. So I think so job is better than business because job can provide a reliable paycheck and it is easier to manage the personal finance and also plan for the future. Many jobs come with a personal, additional benefits such as health insurance, retirement plan, and also paycheck, which can significantly enhance overall job satisfaction, which are often not available to business.
Okay, I wanted to say that job is more better than business. In job, we invest life or very easily. What would you like to say?
Hello everyone, my name is Farooq Liaquat and I am in front of you for about some points of the business. Firstly, I discuss about that job yes business. In a job you earn only salary and but in business you earn salary but enjoy the profit. This is some points of this the job yes business. After this points, so I will talk about that business. Business means that any work that started by yourself, this is known as that business. And the business that provides by producing, selling of products to the community in exchange for money.
Okay, with job, we wanted to say that we earn more and more money in business. What would you like to say us?
Yes, Salman, I'm supporting the topic of job. So firstly, business is, I think business can only start rich men. Unless you are rich, unless you are rich, you would fail to be a businessman. Of course, we have examples, many of the people who start small business but ended up being very rich people. These are a few examples, but these are exceptional. Cannot be taken a loss. So that's why that's why I think everyone cannot start business. Few of the people who start business, but most of the people who agreed for job, because job is often for rich people, middle class people, and lower class people.
Okay, excellent. He wanted to say that only richest person do a business and not a poor person do a business. What would you like to say?
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mr. Ali Akbar in front of you. So today our debate competition topic is business vs job. Today I support the business. What is business? Business is the practice of making more money by producing new materials, producing, buying and selling the products to the communities and to the world level. Business is better than job because in business we earn more salaries and we are become an expert.
He says that in business we earn more and more salary.
Start with the great name of Allah, myself Nadia. Today I am there and I support topic of job. In my opinion, job is much better than business because in job we work some hour and job also maintain a balance between work and our personal life.
You have any cross question?
Yes. If you support the business, if you support the job, that I say, why are you support the job either of business?
He says that why are you support the job? Why you cannot support the business? Why? Which reason?
Because in a job we get experience, but in a business we also in this Pakistan and people, we also earning for a job, not for business. I think so. Job is experience for us, and in a business, the people who firstly who earn the money, many people
we do job for the more and more experience. What would you like to say?
First of all, I talk about some points of the business after I question the girls. First of all, that's business. In business, we are under the boss, but in job we are under the boss, but in business we are the boss and our company we are the owner of the office. But after this some points, so I question with girls. That's in a job that sometimes you are not. Someday you are not. One day you are not going to the job and you are working home. So second day you are going to the job and your boss was resign you and why?
Who gives the answer of this question from the girls?
Every time, all time they don't resign us. Sometimes they get us leave, give us leave. And but in business, if we close our business one day, we get more loss.
She said that sometimes boss not resign you, but if your boss says that you are removed from your job, so what will you do?
I find another job.
He says that I find another job.
In a business, our mind is sensitive mind, and in a business we are the fresh. But in job we are the intention. What will do you? In a complete day we are worker, but in job, but our boss who are not responsible for our, who are not give for them our worker money.
He says that in business, our life was a free and comfortable life, and in job our life was a very foolish life.
I think so. You were saying that in the job we I would say that in a business we also face problems. And like the people, we are also facing anxiety, hypertension. I would say in our job, we are seeing anxiety. If we good for our job, our company, then they also driving us.
In our business, we challenge new challenge and we meet with new people. But in a job we are suspended under of the boss, and we do the work all days and nights, but we earn meager salary. In a job, in business, we earn a high level of salary and comfortable life and sensitive life. In a job, you earn meager salary. What would you do?
Okay, tell me from girl side, only last point, tell us. What would you like to say? Last point, only last point. Who says last point?
If a person from middle class or lower class start a business who needs finance, finance, they need finance and they want to borrow. They usually borrow from banks and others. On the other hand, jobs cannot get any finance.
Yes, boys, only last point says that. What would you like to say then? No,
Last one.
only point.
I think that business is better than job. In business we are an expert, and in business we challenge with a new person, and in a job we are only have a meager salary. If you need more money for your house member, what would you like? And if you have a meager salary in business, we earn more salary, and we are an expert. Thank you.
Thank you. I think boys are not understand that was a question. Thank you clapping for them. That was an excellent face-to-face communication between two